Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Monday, December 9th, 2019. Please rise, put your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make this Monday morning. Celebrating a birthday today, we have Camilo Lopez in 3rd grade and Jose Torres Oviado in 5th grade. Happy birthday. Rattlers, today we're going to focus on being respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. And idea 2 is this week's focus. When someone is speaking, keep your eyes on him or her at all times. All right, remember, you guys are getting new IDs very soon. It's a very special one. Do not lose it. Also, today is Monday, so you go back to your homeroom for academic block. And next week, we have some fun things we're going to dress up for, but this week we are in our regular uniforms, so make sure you take time to look at your uniform and make sure that you do not have a non-idea jacket on. This week is going to be pretty nice out, so you probably won't even need an extra jacket. Also, 3rd through 5th grade, you guys get semester exam readiness dojo points, and some of them are based on if you are ready for school and you are in the correct uniform. All right, 4th graders, good luck today. You guys have a huge test, your semester exam, but I know you are ready because your teachers have been preparing you since the beginning of the year, and you're going to knock it out of the park. Also, 5th grade, you guys have your big test tomorrow, so good luck on your final review. And all students, remember to transition at a level 0 today. We are being respectful of 4th grade. That is still testing. Also, our health fact of the day is an apple a day can reduce levels of bad cholesterol. So if you've ever heard an apple a day can keep the doctor away, cholesterol is kind of like a waxy stuff that gets caught in your body and makes it hard for your blood to flow. So eat those apples at lunch and at breakfast. They are very good for you. On Friday, we were doing so well. We almost hit ADA, but we had too many people out on Friday, so we missed our goal of 97.5. I put the weather on here. Tomorrow is really the only day that isn't a nice day. So tomorrow it may rain in the morning, so just make sure you're prepared for that. But other than that, it's going to be a very beautiful week. All right, our attendance challenge, make sure you're ready. You're here and ready every single day because you guys have a lot of exams coming up and we have a lot of fun things coming up. So you can be entered in the raffle on Friday. Another fun thing about Friday is 2nd graders are putting on a winter wonderland dance for the whole school. It is after school from 5 to 7 p.m. and it's free to get in. All right, please say the Rumberg Academy chant with me. Ready? Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Shout out to the Kinder team. You guys look at their beautiful boards, walls, and door decorations. You guys really knocked it out of the park. And kindergartners, really great job on all of your beautiful artwork. So festive. All right, everyone, make sure that you make it a magnificent Monday. And remember that choice is all yours. You have 10 instructional days left, and we have a big party on the last day. So make sure that you're acting your best and getting those semester exam readiness points and scoring as high as you can on your tests. I'll be walking around to ask you if you know your goals. If anyone asks you, Remind them to give you a dojo point because you deserve it if you know your goals. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students that are out and message the ADA group. We should hit ADA every day this week. Have a great day.